Hi everyone, it's Darren here, the Very Creative Vegan on bank holiday weekend in the UK. Hope you're all enjoying it. I don't think you have bank holidays in the rest of the world. Anyway, I got a very exciting package today from a company that makes alcohol-free drinks, and it's called Free Spirit. And it's quite something. It's described on the website as botanical alchemy, plant-based, alcohol-free, social elixir for a happier, healthier, more connected night out. Bit of a mouthful, but I wanted to do a little box opening on YouTube because I'd read that the box is pretty fancy. I don't cut myself open while I'm doing it. And then I'm going to make a drink or two later and tell you what I think of the drink itself. So it arrived very quickly actually, and it's not a cheap drink. I did get 10% off on your first order, but it's actually $24.99 a bottle. So there you go, look at that, bring plants to the party, that's quite cool. Oscar's watching me here, the cat, as I'm doing this. He's not amused. So here we go, let's have a look. Let's move my computer. Can you get a shot of that as we're going in? So look at that, that's pretty nice. Beautiful green bottle. It looks like an absinthe bottle. And I really love the logo and the design with the plant on there. And it's actually a bit bigger than it looked in the photographs. And let's see what it says on the back. So, a naturally uplifting botanical drink. This dark herbal elixir combines 11 plants used from centuries in ceremonies and potions. Bittersweet with a curious, savoury bite for a natural, blissful feeling. Yum. So, sounds awesome. So, there you go. Free Spirit. I haven't tried it yet. I mean, I do love the marketing and the packaging. I've been following it for a while on Facebook. Just wanted for you all to see that because I don't drink booze anymore. Not interested in drinking. Love vegan food, but I live an alcohol-free life. So something like this is going to be really interesting to see what it tastes like. So I'll pour a few drinks later and we'll film a bit more. So see you soon. Hello, so I'm going to do the taste test on the Free Spirit I just unboxed. And I mixed it with a bit of Fentman's ginger ale, ginger beer, some lemon, and just in a small glass. It smells a bit like Worcester sauce actually. It smells a bit herby. It's not a very strong taste, it's quite subtle. It's like the Bloody Mary, slightly like a Bloody Mary without the vodka. It's nice, refreshing. There we go. Doesn't knock your head off, but we'll see if it affects me in any shape or form. But it's nice. You can have coffee. You can do martini espressos. You can add lemon to it and spring water. There's, if you check out the website, it's got some lovely drink recipes on there. I'll put another report later. See how we get on. But there we go. Free Spirit. Check it out now. Not cheap, but if you're into not drinking booze and you want something different, then it's recommended.